Standard 3 Topic Multiplication. In the previous videos, we have learnt multiplication of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number and multiplication of 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Now in this video, let us understand the word problems in multiplication. First, let us solve the example. The cost of one ice cream is rupees 18. What is the cost of 6 such ice cream cones? Let us draw the columns first. Write hundreds, tens, units. After that, let us write the first statement. Here the first statement will be cost of one ice cream cone, 18. So we write 1 in tens place, 8 in units place. Second statement will be number of ice cream cones, that is 6. Now write the multiplication sign. Let us multiply the units place numbers first. 6 8s are, we get 48. So we write 8 in units place, 4 in tens place. Now 6 1s are 6 plus 4, we get 10. So we write 0 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. Cost of 6 ice cream cones. Now the final statement will be 6 ice cream cones cost rupees 108. Now let us solve the exercise. 1 meter of cloth cost rupees 95. How much will 6 meters of cloth cost? Draw the boxes. Write hundreds, tens, units. Now let us write the first statement. Here the first statement will be cost of 1 meter of cloth, that is 95. Second statement will be number of meters, 6. Multiplication sign. 6 5s are 30. We write 0 in units place, 3 in tens place. 6 9s are 54. Plus 3, 57. Write 7 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place. Cost of 6 meters of cloth. The final statement will be the cost of 6 meters of cloth is rupees 570. Next question. 1 liter of milk cost rupees 40. How much will 3 liters of milk cost? Draw the boxes. Write hundreds, tens, units. Now the first statement here will be cost of 1 liter of milk, that is 40. Number of liters, 3. Multiplication sign. Multiply the units place numbers. 3 zeros are 0. 3 4s are 12. We write 2 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. Cost of 3 liters of milk. The final statement will be the cost of 3 liters of milk is 120 rupees. Next question. 25 children in a row. How many in 7 rows? Draw the columns. Write hundreds, tens, units. The first statement will be children in 1 row, that is 25. Second statement, number of rows, 7. Multiplication sign. 7 5s are 35. We write 5 in units place, 3 in tens place. Now 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3, we get 17. So we write 7 in tens place, 1 in units place. Total children. And the final answer will be 175 children in 7 rows. Next question. How much will 6 towels cost at rupees 53 a towel? Here the question says that cost of a towel is 53 rupees. How much will the 6 towels cost? Draw the columns. Write hundreds, tens, units. First statement will be cost of a towel 53. Number of towels 6. Multiplication sign. Multiply the units place numbers first. 6 3s are, we get 18. Write 8 in units place, 1 in tens place. Now 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1 is 31. Write 1 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place. Total cost. Final statement will be cost of 6 towels is rupees 308. Now make your own problems of multiplication and solve them. Here the information is given. With the given information we have to form our own problems and solve that problem. Here the given information is 48 pomegranates in one box, 7 boxes. So the question we can frame is, if there are 48 pomegranates in one box, how many are there in 7 such boxes? Draw the columns, write hundreds, tens, units. The first statement will be pomegranates in one box, 48. Number of boxes, 7. Multiplication sign. 7 8s are 56. So we write 6 in units place, 5 in tens place. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5, we get 33. Write 3 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place. Total pomegranates. The final statement will be 336 pomegranates in 7 boxes. Now the next question is, next given information is 15 trees in one row, 9 rows. So the question here will be, if there are 15 trees in one row, how many are there in 9 rows? Draw the columns, write hundreds, tens, units. Trees in one row, that is 15. Number of rows, 9. Multiplication sign. 9 5s are 45. We write 5 in units place, 4 in tens place. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 4, we get 13. So we write 3 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. Total trees. The final statement will be 135 trees in 9 rows. Next, the given information here is 16 toys. Cost of each toy rupees 10. We have to frame the question. The cost of a toy is rupees 10. What is the cost of 16 such toys? Draw the columns, write hundreds, tens, units. Here the first statement will be, we take the first we write the bigger number, that is 16. What is the 16? Cost of number of toys. So we write number of toys 16. Next statement will be cost of a toy 10. Now here to multiply we have two numbers down. So we multiply 10 with units place first, then 10 with tens place. That is 10 6s are, we get 60. So we write here 0 in units place, 6 we write in tens place. Now 10 1s are 10. 10 plus 6, 16. So we write 6 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place. Total cost. The final answer will be 16 toys cost 160 rupees. Next question. The information here is cost of one book rupees 36, 7 books. With this information we have to frame the question. The cost of one book is rupees 36. What is the cost of 7 such books? Draw the columns, write hundreds, tens, units. The first statement will be cost of a book 36. Number of books 7. Multiplication sign. Multiply the units place numbers first. 7 6s are 42. We write 2 in units place, 4 in tens place. 7 threes are 21. Plus 4, 25. So 5 in tens place, 2 in hundreds place. Total cost. The final statement will be 7 books cost rupees 160. Here we complete the topic multiplication. Thanks for watching.